Given the caveat that 2-in-1s with their detachable keyboards really can be used on a lap, I really like this one. You can pound on it without feeling any give in either the keyboard or the stand, and it provides very good feedback. If you're a touch typist, you'll find all the keys in the right places, are rarely over or under etched. The backlight toggles on or off, which is sufficient for working in the dark as I am right now. The touchpad is also relatively big given the size of the keyboard, and did not make me curse once. Thumbs up. The screen is also great from a productivity standpoint. It's small but you can fit as much or as little on it as you need, thanks to the high pixel density, 293 pixels per inch compared with the Surface Pro's 267 ppi, and that makes it sharp and easy to read as well. It's also pretty bright. While you'll only get its rated peak brightness of 450 nits when you're plugged in, and if you turn off the double secret regional backlight control, it still delivers a respectable peak of 415 nits on battery and with those power saving settings in place. But if you're looking for accuracy or a broad color gamut, HP's 3K 2K displays don't really hit the mark. This one only covers about 93% of sRGB, which isn't bad for everyday use. But on its defaults I noticed Netflix streams had some oversaturated colors. I tweaked the night light reduced blue light settings to bring the overly blue display down to a more comfortable warm. And just like a 4K UHD display, which is higher resolution but has a different aspect ratio, the 3K 2K seems to be quite demanding of battery life. At 5.8 hours, it doesn't last nearly as long as competitors and probably won't get you through a full day. It does support quick charging via USB-C, 50% in 30 minutes, which came in really handy today when I pulled it out of my bag to find the battery was on its last drops of juice.